And his name is Jared.
Yes, and this is an extra special bonus drawing where Veda is gonna teach us how to draw a
puppy.
Cool. Okay.
And then one way. How?
Another one. Okay.
And some eyes.
Some eyes, a little circle in there.
And then a little bit, and then make a big one and tie it a ribbon in.
Okay.
Another one.
Do that on the other side.
Color it in.
Color it in. And these are the puppy's eyes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what next?
Wait, how? What is it?
Okay.
Little puppy nose. Yeah.
Okay, so now what? Is that the puppy's ears?
No.
Okay, we're gonna draw lines down there. And then that part, what's that part?
His ears.
His ears are up here.
And then little tiny dots.
Little tiny dots in the ears, right? And on the other ear as well, we're gonna do a couple little dots. Okay. And now, does the puppy have a body?
A heart.
The puppy needs a heart. Okay, show me where we gotta do the heart.
Wait.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how. I want you to do that one for me.
Okay, let's see here. This is looking great.
A belly button.
Yep, puppies have belly buttons too, probably.
We do know.
Right in the middle of their hearts, that's for sure. Okay. And now...
A tail.
A tail.
Maybe a little... right here.
Oh, just a little line?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. What else do we need? And a line back.
Yeah.
And there's our tail.
Yep.
Yep. And anything else we need?
And this will be some...
The ocean?
Yeah.
Those are waves. Okay. Do puppies like swimming?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe little dots so he doesn't go in the water.
Little dots, and these make sure the puppy doesn't go in the water.
Yeah.
Good idea. If you're ever on a beach and there's dots, you know, don't go in that water.
Big little dots.
Big and little dots.
Yeah.
All the way
That's
across.
it.
Okay. Now, do we need to sign our names?
Yeah. Thanks for drawing puppy with us.
I think that worked out great. And Veda, thanks for teaching us how to draw puppy.
Yes.
That was awesome. And we kept the puppy safe by making sure he doesn't go in the water because of those circles. Peace.